Hello guys, wanted to give an update of what I'm working on. I modify a little bit the motor, just brushing it off, cleaning it up, but basically the back, it had this plastic lousy cap in the rear, didn't have any holes, so I put a metal one from another motor which is the same body, 556, and then I built this smooth little cap to close it and align it. But the main thing I did this is I installed an inner fan at the rotor, so it keeps the motor pretty cool when it's spinning. You can see it right there. Plus I opened some holes at the bracket so it can suck the air from there. And this is my brush assembly. It's let me put it right here. Yeah. Let's run the cap right there. And yeah, it's mounted in one piece, the whole brush, and I use these clock springs. I had this flat bolt with nuts, nylon nuts, to be able to adjust the spring tension. And yeah, basically it works fine. It's one piece, very handy. And basically if I add another one, do a circular slip ring, I'll have the whole thing compacted in one tubing type. I'm still working on the commutator part. Gotta smooth it out, drill the holes to run the cables, wire it. But basically I just wanted to put it to run real quick here for you guys to see it. And I'm using these power supply to start dialing up the power, and somewhere around the 25.5 volts and like 0.7 amps. Too much. It's 25.5 and 0.7. I should be getting somewhere the 3600 steady RPMs. So yeah, a little bit over, so like 25.3. Once that it warms up, it starts there. So I want to keep it on somewhere in the 3600 area. Yeah, and it's pretty cool. The motor is at 82, and room temperature here in Florida is like 84. So it's actually above, below the slip ring. It's 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, just wanted to run an update, and I'll be wiring it soon and having it run